Your iPhone 17 feels full, slow, or cluttered, and you're wondering where all your storage went. The truth is, unused apps can take up a surprising amount of space. The good news? iOS 26 gives you several easy ways to delete them permanently. Here are 3 simple methods to clear them out. First method, delete apps from the home screen. Here's how. Go to your home screen and find the app you want to remove. Touch and hold the app icon until the quick menu appears. Tap Remove App. A prompt will pop up. Tap Delete App, then tap Delete again to confirm. The app is now permanently removed. Second method, delete apps from the app library. If the app isn't on your home screen, swipe left until you reach the app library. Find the app, long press its icon, then choose Delete App, and finally tap Delete on the confirmation message. This fully erases the app from your device. Third method, delete apps through iPhone storage. If you want to see how much space an app uses before deleting it, open Settings. Tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Scroll through the list and select the app you want to uninstall. On the App Info screen, tap Delete App, then tap Delete again on the confirmation pop-up. This removes the app along with all its saved data. You can reinstall any removed app from the App Store at any time. And that's it. Clearing out apps you no longer use keeps your iPhone 17 clean, organized, and running smoothly. If this video helped you free up space, give it a like or watch another tutorial to discover more ways to optimize your iPhone. Thanks for watching.